Now we are going to talk about the first video in the introductory video in the medical lectures even your grandpa can understand. So the point of this lecture is FMG, NEET and ionized. This is like a systematic, okay? This is systematic. We start from the first, second, it is continuous. Then the important point is this is systematic and integrated. Integration in sense how I am saying is, let's say we are talking about neurology. Instead of doing anatomy, physiology, biochemistry in that subject order wise, I will go neuroanat, neurophysio, some path aspects, some CNS pharma, then CNS medicine, like for example I'll cover the headache and stroke. Then at last I'll go CNS pedia. So in this manner you will get a holistic view. Now for example, when I will give you an example. In case of TB, you will study this disease in separate manner, okay? First you will study it in micro, then you will study it in path, then you will study it in pharma, then you will study it in derma, then you will study it in PSM, then you will study it in gynecology. So this is like then you will study it in ortho. So you have like lots and lots of subjects you will study separately, individual way you will study. But now what I am saying is I will teach TB and I will try to cover everything in that single video. If you go through that video, you can go through the entire TB. You can cover all aspects of it. That's my goal. So you will get like you won't study it again and again and again and again. So by this logic I will go physio, then I will do path, I will do pharm, then I will do medicine, then I will do the pedia. So I will go in a system wise manner. In order to get maximum efficiency, what I suggest is you do the active recall. Instead of just rereading it again and again and again, just use active recall, then use spaced repetition. If you ask ChatGPT, it will give you an order. So in which order you can go, just type that I want to implement spaced repetition, in which days I should study that subject, so I can get I will improve from short term memory to long term memory. Okay, long term memory. Okay, now if you want to, then you need to use this apps like Anki, then like Mind Palace. I will help you in Mind Palace. For Anki, you see Ali Abdal video. There is a 3 to 4 hour video. He covers everything about Anki. Anki is like one of the best tools. And then in order to gain the maximum impact, what I recommend is I will ask you some questions. So what you should do is when I ask a question, you pause the video and you answer the question. You try to answer the question, at least try to answer, so you can holistically understand. Instead of just listening, you are learning with me, you are trying to understand. We are having a wonderful flow, so you won't be having any repetition. I will try to make it the concepts more conceptual and less time taking.